If you're thinking of getting NutriVolv, their Inositol, then here is my honest review. I've been using it for around 3 to 4 months now, and I've really noticed a difference in my hormones. And the reason I know that is because I used to struggle with cystic acne for over 10 years. And since using this, that has cleared up. I also struggle with blood sugar control. And I feel this has helped me as well to keep a balanced blood sugar. So this is perfect if you want to balance your hormones and blood sugar levels, perhaps because you want to lose weight, or maybe you want to become pregnant, or just improve your fertility. Then this is such a good, staple to have in your vitamin drawer as a woman. It also comes with folate and chromium, which also is so important for women's health and fertility. So I like that it's included, so you don't have to buy those capsules separately. So it comes in a Ziploc bag, and here you can see what it looks like inside. So it's capsules. You could even, empty those out if you would prefer to have it in liquid. They're very easy to swallow. And I like that it's capsules and not tablets, because I find they go bad much more easily. They're made in UK, which I really liked, and they're free from dairy, soy, sugar, gluten, so very, very clean ingredients, and it's no animal cruelty, which is really important for me as well. And so yeah, I actually subscribe to it now, so I don't have to think about rebuying it. So if you have PCOS like me, struggle with your hormones, you definitely need this. And even if you're just a woman and you want to have more balanced hormones and balanced blood sugar, then this is the supplement for you. So yeah, really recommend. This is the best one that I've found on the market, at least.